Hi! In this video, I would like to share some ideas about some of the newest features of our NOx sensors. In the previous episode, we learned about the different types of failures that can happen with these sensors, and one of them is failure to communicate because of a software update on the vehicle. It will only be a matter of time before all the vehicles will receive the latest software update, leading to failure to communicate right after installation, which can sometimes happen regionally. This is the reason why in the previous episode I was explaining the importance of continental number, which indicates a potential software update when suddenly changed. In such a case, there could be quite some stock of these sensors under a high risk of failure simply because of software update. And to avoid having to return all this stock where Dinex will have to do extensive and time-consuming remanufacturing, we now have the capability to plug the sensor into a specialized device and load it with the newest software, effectively reflashing it. Because of this newest capability that we are right now introducing with our latest generation product, our customers can sleep easy at night, knowing that if or when the time comes, their potentially outdated stock of NOx sensors can be reflashed and ready to use again. Stay tuned for the next episode, where we will discuss the typical failure modes as identified by our testing laboratory. See you next time!